The Wiggles? More like the Lickers. Oh, this show truly sucks. The characters are the Wiggles, and they like to go on failure adventures. Man, the Wiggles sucks. I hope the Wiggles didn't even exist. Do you know who likes the show? Jeffy. He wants to join the cast, but I can't. He is from SML version. Yes, he is still grounded. Do you know who hates this show? First Opposite Flow. The songs are better than the Wiggles. So screw the Wiggles and screw Patrol. Nina's World is so many times better than the Wiggles. End of rant. Next rant. Nella the Princess Knight. After the Nella the Princess Knight rant. Rant. Cuckoo Harajuku. Hate Nella the Princess Knight, Ben and Helly's of the Kingdom, and Kuyu Harajuku.